guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are traveling back to Jamaica. So the Colombia series has come to an end and now it's time for me to get out of here and head to the airport. So I decided I'm gonna do a travel vlog, of course, duh. So I'm actually running a little late, so we need to go. I'm just checking my Airbnb, doing a last check, making sure I'm not leaving anything, you know, inside any of the drawers, the closet. And then I'm gonna call for an Uber because I need to get out of here. It's now after 7 and it's about 7:15, 7:10, 7:15, and my plan was to leave here at 7 o'clock. But that didn't work out, so we're a little late. My flight starts boarding at 8:48 and leaves at 9:48. So I need to get out of here. I'm gonna call for my Uber now and then I will meet you guys downstairs in the hotel lobby. Okay, I can start putting my bags. Hola. Back or? Okay. So I made it to the airport in time, to the terminal and everything. I'm at Pergamino right now, trying to get some coffee. Wanted to get something for my mom in the store, but there isn't really anything like in the souvenir store. I don't know. Mom, I'll get you something next time. I'm in Colombia. I'm sorry. Lo siento. But I came back. I brought myself back. But anyways, my flight's boarding in literally less than 5 minutes. But customs literally took 8 minutes to get through. It really didn't take any time. The airport is not that full, surprisingly. But Copa Airlines, the line was basically empty, so I went right to the front, and then everything else after that was pretty empty, so nothing really took time. Anyways, that's good for me because I literally got here 10 minutes before my boarding time.
pasajeros, bienvenidos a la ciudad de Panamá. La hora local 10 de la mañana 54 minutos. Dear passengers, welcome to Panama City. The local time is 10:54 minutes in the morning.
Guys, I'm finally in Panama airport. First of all, this airport is annoying. I remember when I was flying here the first time, when y'all saw me in that 14-hour layover, the signs in here are not done properly. Like, I'm like spinning in circles trying to find the arrow to point to my gate, which is like 1112. Anyways, we landed at basically 10:58 and my flight to Kingston from Panama started boarding. Well, we should start boarding at 10:44, but more than likely, as we saw with Colombia, boarding for that is probably not going to start until after 11, like around this time. Because it's like 11:15 right now. Yeah, it's 11:15 right now, so it's probably about to start boarding. I don't even know how far my gate is from here, which is kind of annoying, but whatever, we'll find it. They were taking a group picture. I think I made it.
Grace Clooney y Ana Kirchman, le damos la más cordial bienvenida a bordo. Tiempo de vuelo aproximado en ruta de 1 hora y 30 minutos. No prevemos demora para nuestra salida. Esta se prevén buenas. Tenemos vientos calmos, cielos ilimitados. And the lovely ladies, Ana Vega, Daphne Saavedra, Grace Clooney and Ana Kirchman, we welcome you.
Towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Take your personal mask off. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth.
caballeros, bienvenidos a Kingston. Your passengers will come to Kingston. Permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad apretado y con sus pertenencias guardadas.
Back to Jamaica. Felt longer than coming that much. But anyways, I'm waiting on Mommy. I thought she'd be here already. It's like after 2. And she told me she was gonna come to the airport from like 1 o'clock. But the lighting is not good. But anyways, she told me she was gonna come to the airport from like 1 o'clock. I know she didn't reach and it's like after 2. And I was wondering like if she was here like maybe in the parking lot, and I don't know how to get to her because I had to switch off the Colombian trip that I had to my Jamaican trip. I hope you guys can hear me because it's very windy. And I had no credit on my phone, so I had to use the Wi-Fi to try and WhatsApp call her, but she's a lady that really don't have service on anything because we use Wi-Fi and stuff. But I called my best friend to call her for me. So she's on her way. So we're waiting. I am home. What do you mean? My hair looks crazy because outside was so windy a while ago, so my ear. I had to take off my shirt because being in Colombia for 2 weeks and being in that climate and then coming back. Look, in Jamaica. Back in Jamaica. It's warm. I had to switch my chip. And then I said, no, like, mom, no credit. I try call it, no, it not go through. My WhatsApp call it, WhatsApp call daddy, WhatsApp call Anika. I said, oh my god, is nobody gonna answer me? Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around and watching the journey. By the way, I should talk about do you know that they have kiosks in the airport now? Well, I don't know if it's new in Norman Manley, but it was very smooth.
Yeah, kiosks from years.
Those look new, they look brand new. The one where you scan your passport?
Yeah, you can use it or you can go to, but them still make you go to the immigration.
No.
So I don't know.
You put in your information and just have the thing, but it was very smooth. It didn't take any time. I probably was in the airport for like maybe 10 minutes. Them asked yellow card vaccine.
Yes.
So I don't know what happens to the people who don't have the vaccination card.
Yes,
but what's that knocking sound? What was I gonna say? What was I saying, guys?
Yellow
Anyways,
fever.
it was, oh yes, yellow fever. So maybe, but people know. I don't know, but they said if you have vaccination card, go by here. If you don't have it, go over there. And then the people who have the vaccination, they just took your information, stamp your immigration thing, and you went through. Easy peasy. People that who don't have it, I don't know what happened to them, but I'm just like, you know, it worked out. Colombia didn't ask for it, but Jamaica did. So, and my friend did tell me that. My friend told me the opposite thing. She told me that they asked for it in Colombia, I think she said, but in Jamaica they may or may not ask for it. I don't know, but just have it in case. Just have it in case. Plus it's a shot that you get one time in your lifetime, and then you're vaccinated for life, you know. So, and it's cheap. As a Jamaican, it's very cheap. It's like 1,500 for the shot, so just get it done. Especially if you plan on traveling to like other countries that may have the, what the hell is that sound? Anyways guys, if you have not checked out the Colombia vlogs, if you are new here and you're just hopped on this travel vlog, check out my vlogs in Colombia. You know, it's quite a time. A time was had. So, but we're talking about the travel vlog is about Colombia, so we're gonna plug Colombia right now. That's how this thing works, you know. So go check out the Colombia vlogs. I'll link it right here, you know, a playlist right here so you can check it out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. Leave a like for the video. Comment below what you guys thought about the Colombia vlogs. And I'll see y'all in the next one. We're back to Jamaica content, guys. I don't know what's gonna come up this summer, but let's see. Let's see. See you in the next one, guys. Bye. Say bye, mommy. Say bye. Bye. Hi, pumpkin. Hi. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Hi.